none as curious or as strange as the Amopoterex Saurus. It is a creature that is born from the ashes of man, and creates life where there is death, and provides towards all the hope that there is light in the shadow of death. The boundaries which divide life from death are at best shadowy and vague. Who shall say where one ends and where the other begins? Death is crucial, for it is where our story begins. With the death of man, a seed is planted. It grows into a great tree, then a leaf. Then it transforms into the mighty Amopoterex Saurus. The Amopoterex explores its new environment. Trained from exploring, the Amopoterex Saurus turns a quick bite. After eating, the Amopoterex spends time selecting the perfect mate, but he takes time in choosing his mate. Nope, not quite good enough. Definitely not. It appears that the Amopoterex has found the perfect mate. Maybe we should leave these two alone. After mating, the Amopoterex lives out the rest of its days in peace and harmony. It is the perfect symbol of life, the light in the darkness. And when the zebra dies, the cycle will begin anew.